Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityanando Shauditam Sri Nandanandana Bande Shri Radhika Charanadayam Shri Gopijana Samajuktam Vrindavano Manoharam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasani Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Today is a heavy thunderstorm. Just half an hour before, power cut, everything happened. But now everything stopped, but nature become crazy now. Again my coughing trouble come back, looks like because of the nature. So today, what kira you? Man marbe na? Walk, shacha. Walk man marbe. Karam mein hath marega. So there is two questions from Jaya Bhakti Devi. Dear Maharaj, first question number one. Is it okay to serve Gurudev according to our own inspiration? Own inspiration means our mind concoction. If it is so, this is not seva. Seva should be, seva means service means we have to make him happy. An object of service should be happy with our activities. So there is no question of our own inspiration. Question of follow his footsteps and do accordingly, then object of service will be happy. So I hope you understand that. Therefore there is no question of any government, there is no any point of mind concoction. Only point is follow the footsteps. Should one always ask Gurudeva's advice in every steps of one's lives? It is better. It is not like always you have to ask. But if you are really close connected with your Guru, then he will reveal to your heart what you will do. No need to ask. In mind you can ask, then he always revealed in our heart, then accordingly we can go ahead. I think you understand. If you really become close, means really your faith is make him happy. Because Guru is not an individual person. Guru means one tattva, and Guru is not individual, it is a tattva. Ultimate Guru is Krishna, and Krishna in our heart always sitting in the form of Paramatma. He always giving us intuitive things what you're supposed to do, then accordingly you can do. In that way, you have to ask in spirit to Krishna or Guru Varga, as well as our Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru, etc. I hope you understand what I want to say. I don't know who is this. Anyway, there's 2 questions I got only. No more question, I think. I searched already. So, today no more power here, but solar system working, therefore it is also working now. We have light and fan too. So anyway, we have to read the Anubhashya, commentary of Srila Prabhupada on what Prabhupada wrote on the text number 191, Madhya-lila Chaitanya Charitamrita, 8th chapter. That the text is, Jeva premo bilas vivarto eko hoy, taha shoni tomar sukh hoy ki na hoy. So, the last 2 days we are discussing about that. So, দৃক দৃশ্যবাদী জড়জগতে ইন্দ্রিয় তর্পণ মূলে যে অনুভূতি লাভ করেন তাহা জড় বিবর্তের শুধু প্রতিসেবক প্রতিষেধক মাত্র হইল অপ্রাকৃত রসের সান্নিধ্য লাভে অসমর্থ। দৃক দৃশ্যবাদী means materially, intellectual, always judging with material point of view, that they are always thinking about indriya tarpan, means sense enjoyment desire. That is their main goal, to think all their path, how to get more and more sense enjoyment, how to fulfill more and more sense enjoyment desire. This is called materially intellectual people. Whatever their anubhuti, what the feeling, what is their feeling of prema bilas and vivarto. This is 2 contradiction. The word is 2 contradiction. But তাহা জড় বিবর্তের শুধু প্রতিষেধক মাত্র হইল অপ্রাকৃত রসের সান্নিধ্য লাভে অসমর্থ। Materially they can make us understand it is not logical. Whatever Shambhu, Prema Bilas, it's called Shambhu, means enjoyment, and Vivarto, it's called separation. They may put some logic to understand us. It is not fitting, it is illogical, whatever Vaishnava says. Therefore, Prabhupada says, অপ্রাকৃত রসের সান্নিধ্য লাভ অসমর্থ। অপ্রাকৃত লাভ, benefit, transcendental benefit, they are not able to understand. I can give an example. It was 1981. I was in our Adi Math performing Gaura Purnima Parikrama. Just few days before of Gaura Purnima, we are performing Navadvip Dham Parikrama. So it was lunch time. My maternal grandfather is his disciple. His disciple of Prabhupada Bhakti-Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Therefore, somehow or other, the Adi Math temple president as well as all the devotees, they have some special affection on all of us, on our family, towards our family members. In that way, we used to stay at special guest house called Birla Guest House. Birla Guest House. And Birla Guest House and Adi Math, almost walking distance, maybe 5 minutes. So after taking lunch, prasad, because that day it was our parikrama was in Belpukur. And I am coming back after taking lunch. Food from Ekadashi Prasad, coming back. That time I was almost 15, I think. 14, 15-year-old. 15-year-old, I think. Anyway, so then I saw that a group of, just like general people, they came to visit Navadvip Dham. They are talking about Chandkaji Samadhi. They are speaking amongst each other. Why we go there all the way to walk over there just to see one chapati, one tree, which few leaves is useless, or we waste our time. In that way the conversation. But, they are thinking about material point of view. But it's transcendent, but it's a spiritual point of view. If you look, this Chandkaji Samadhi in Navadvip, in Mayapur, it's like a center of unity place between Muslim and Hindus. You can see, still you can see, there is a Hindu are going to pay obeisance to Chandkaji because Mahaprabhu bestow his blessings to him and he become, although he was Muslim ruler, but and he become devotees. And Muslim people, they never think they are supreme. So they are thinking our Chandkaji is our person, our leader. In that way, they are also doing prayer over that. This is called namaz. Anyway, recently they make a mosque beside the Chandkaji Samadhi. But previously, all they used to do that, namaz 4 times in a day, 5 times in a day. Anyway, and there is so many pastimes, so many positive things is there. What positive things? Mahaprabhu's Mahabhadananda Lila means magnanimity. How Mahaprabhu, although Chandkaji broke the mridanga, and outwardly Mahaprabhu showed his anger mood, after that, how Mahaprabhu delivered Chandkaji. Night before, Mahaprabhu appeared in the form of Narsingh Bhagavan in the dream of Chandkaji. And he says that you broke my mridanga, I will broke your chest. When I broke your chest. Such type of dream. And naturally next day, evening time, when Mahaprabhu came with huge Sankirtan team, so Chatkaji became fearful. So many pastimes is there. But these material people who came over there, that day, 1981, I went there with my grandmother and Gopinath Prabhu's mother, my grandmother and my grandfather and me. 4 persons were there together. So that day I was realizing, oh my God, this is the problem, Because material intelligence is not possible to understand or to not understand, realize that the devotional charisma. It is impossible. So I think Prabhupada, whatever he said, and whatever my capability to translate, I think you understand that. So Dik Dishwabadi, দেহ মনের ধর্মে যে চমৎকারিতা জন্মগ্রহণ করে তা অসম্পূর্ণ লঘু ও নশ্বর. Prabhupada says, দেহ means body, mon means mind. Whatever charismatic charisma appear in our body and mind, তা অসম্পূর্ণ, it is not complete. Logu, very nominal, minimize, and nashar, destroy. Today it appear, tomorrow destroy. You can see our mind always naughty, it's always moving. Today I like someone, tomorrow same mind, I'm thinking he's bad person. This is material. This is a material nature. Today one thing, tomorrow it's changing. Situation different. Therefore Prabhupada used material intelligence, material body, material mind. Although we feel some charisma over there, but it is still asampurna, means not perfect, not complete. Loghu, like ignorable. Loghu we can say. Loghu means is not supreme. Or nashar, destroy. তজ্জন্যই চিন্ময় রস চমৎকার গুরুত্বের প্রকাশকারী বলিয়া উল্লিখিত হইয়াছে. Therefore, চিন্ময় রস, transcendental mellow, চমৎকার, charismatic, gurutter means heavy, charismatic, prakashkari, manifestation of heavy, charismatic, ullikhit hoye means therefore we believe that transcendental mellow, always heavy, charismatic manifestation for heavy, prakashkari উল্লেখিত হয়েছে. প্রেমা শুদ্ধ চিন্ময় ব্যাপার, প্রেম, divine love, শুদ্ধ, pure, চিন্ময়, transcendental matter, ব্যাপার means matter. Krishna Prem. we know there is an explanation by our previous teacher. I think it's Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami. He explained that Prem Nirmal Bhashya, Kam Andhatama. Kam is lust, to whom we are always thinking that is love, Prem. Man, male and female, what they're talking about in youth age, I love you. Same lips, they are also passing after a few days when there was discrimination happened or dislike taking place amongst each other. They say, I hate you. Same lips. Therefore, it is always changeable. Nowadays I have seen in Spanish people area, they say matrimonio necesita mucho tolerancia. Meaning is this, marriage life, to maintain marriage life, we need lot of tolerance. Several couple also say, if you like to make your family stable, you have to be surrendered to your wife. Whatever she says, follow blindly. Many husbands, they say like that. In fact, it is true. It is true. Because women have lots of power from government. And also I heard, and also I saw many cases nowadays in the court, it's fake. Just harassed their husband, harassed male form. Just false case. Therefore, recently Indian Supreme Court, they may pass a law. This whatever woman complain, we should first investigate. Then we will take our final decision. Otherwise, many career, many career destroy just woman complain. So anyway, prema, whatever we use this prema means love among the man and woman. Vaishnav's literature say it is not love. It is like a semblance of love, but actually it is lust. So, but transcendental love, Shuddha, pure. Chinmay, what is transcendental? Chinmay means transcendental. It is always eternal. Never destroy. Nirmal, no dot. There is no lust will take place. Lust it will take place. Therefore you can see our Narottam Thakur, in order to enter Vrindavan Dham, which is transcendental abode for all of us. He says, Vishaya Chadiya. Vishaya means sense enjoyment object. Sense enjoyment object means, basically he says, Roop means form, Rosh means taste, Shabdo means sound, Gandha means smell, Parsa means touch. Actually, woman form Lord made with 5 objects, with the 5 elements. So whenever we become free from that all the Vishaya, then our mind is eligible to become pure. Mind become pure, you can say. Otherwise, it is impossible to make our mind pure. Mind today, we are thinking, we have to renounce. Tomorrow, our thinking, let me enjoy. So, our Narottam Thakur, he just explained that Vishaya Chadiya Kabe Shuddha Habe Mon. As soon as we become free from all the sense enjoyment object, then our mind become pure. Real men are pure. Kabeham Herava Sri Vrindavan. Then we are eligible to enter Vrindavan Dham. But person have such type of desire, I don't think so. Or according to our previous teacher explanation, you can see whenever we have mind, our mind is not stable, always flickery mind. Then we can see that, you can see nowadays, devotee always jumping here and there. Today, they have one guru, that's like, this. They're changing their guru also. They're changing their husband also. Similarly, they're changing their guru also. How they are changing their outfit. In that manner, they are changing guru and husband also. Or wife also, not only one side. Always they are talking about, I visit so many countries. One devotee said, oh Maharaj, this is not workout, therefore I did. And there is a question of workout, you have to be tolerant, keep tolerance. So anyway, so prema shuddho chinmaya vyapar, chinmaya transcendent. Therefore, our previous teacher said, prem nirmal vasya. Nirmal means no dart at all. Kam andhatama, last make you blind. Andhatama, dark, blind. You can see, just to look to nowadays, if you go any amusement park, they can see male and female, how they are mixing amongst each other. It is really awkward. Do you feel awkward? Because kam andhatama, blind. অচিতে প্রীতি নশ্বর হেয় ধর্ম কামেই অবস্থিত। অচিতে প্রীতি, আকস্মিক প্রীতি means all of a sudden loving মানে relation, but it is nashwar, it will destroy soon. Heyo dharma, heyo dharma means ignorable dharma, like actually dharma means people doesn't know. Dharma actually means whatever Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, my grand spiritual master, define, that is called our real identity. We are soul. What is natural, eternal function of our soul, that is called dharma. Then you can see our natural, eternal function, only one, become eternally blissful. So why we are running behind temporarily blissful? Temporarily blissful. You know, Bhakti Sampada Narayan Maharaj. Several times he told me, Maharaj, you know, I married, I realize this infatuation mood only for 3-4 years. If there is no loving relation amongst each other, then left over all the whole life only quarrel. Otherwise, it is very difficult to manage, to maintain amicable relation between husband and wife. We have to establish devotion in family. Otherwise, it is impossible to maintain amicable relation amongst each other. Because he has experience, he told me that. Yeah? So anyway, Achite Priti Nashar. Material love is not should destroy. Hyo dharmo kame avastito. Only calm. Calm means do for me, I can do for you. Like oil, not oil, actually. This is called English, called nice English words. There is forget that now parts. So anyway, we have to do. We have to praise someone, then he could be my favor. If you criticize them, they never become favor. But Mahaprabhu, just today I was explaining about Nityananda Prabhu's glories. Although Madhai took that clay pot and hit on his forehead, bleeding, but still he is not telling him, oh, you are hitting me. You are hitting me. I can also hit. Instead of that, Nityananda says, you can hit me once more, but chant once with me, Hari Bol. So it is called real loving embodiment character. Real loving embodiment characteristic is Nityananda. And we are all Guru Varga, they are represented by Nityananda. So we have to think our material position, and we should try our best to remove that material attachment. How? Through chanting. Our previous teachers, they prescribe, chant. I think I explained previously, no need to just again and again same thing. So, জড় জগতে ইন্দ্রিয় তর্পণের ব্যাঘাত হেতু যে দুঃখ উপস্থিত হয় তাহাই জড়পিতির বিবর্তন. In the material world, all the problems, you see, just for sense gratification. If something obstacles for our sense gratification, then we are always in distress. All distress appear because of this not fulfilling sense gratification desire. জড় জগতে ইন্দ্রিয় তর্পণের ব্যাঘাত হেতু যে দুঃখ উপস্থিত তাহাই জড়প্রীতির বিবর্তন. That is called vivarta, means separation or separation. You can see, I can tell you that. Just once I'm coming from Calcutta. That time our temple construction going on Mayapur. In Mayapur, if you come, just cross Krishnanagar, there is a bridge. And down there is Jalango river. I was in our car, sitting there. Then I saw one boy and girl, both are jump on the land and die. Then, I have some curiosity to know everything. I stopped the car. The people are, they died, they expired. Then see, some people say, oh, I know their house there, they have they love each other, but their parents not agree to arrange the marriage. So what is that mean? Both commit suicide. What purpose? To be together or sense enjoyment, fulfill the sense enjoyment to desire. Just think about that. So just Prabhupada says, Jalo Jagate Indriyatama Bhagaditi. In material world, whenever we get some obstacles for fulfilling our sense enjoyment desire, whatever distress appear, that is called vivarto, material vivarto, means separation. Jala Priti vivarto, Jala Priti, before was Priti, love, then vivarto is separation, loving separation. That is not stable, that is not. Prem Bilash or Bilash vivarto, kono abhav, abarata, অনুপাদেয়তা উৎপন্ন করে না প্রেম বিলাস real প্রেম transcendental প্রেম বিলাস loving attachment বিলাস বিবর্ত means separation of our union and separation. If there is union separation, there is abhav. Abhav means there is abhav. What's that in English? Lacking. Yeah, lacking. Lacking that, there is no different. Anupadevata, not palatable. Sometimes intense position, but still abarata, abhav, prem bilas bilas vivarto kono abhav. They are not real prem bilas, they are not feeling of lacking anything. Abarata, there is no kind of laziness. And anupadevata, there is not lack of there is no actually palatable behavior, palatable behavior. It is not happening that. Real Pembilas. Radha in Vrindavan, Krishna was out of Vrindavan. But Radha, even this Nanda Maharaj, Jashoda, Gopis, all they are always in separation from Krishna. They are waiting for Krishna. When Krishna comes, then they get opportunity to serve him. It's not like a material order, okay, he's not coming, okay, let it go. He's not listening for me, okay, let it go. Go to the court, finish. There is no question of finish. I think once I explained when Putana requesting to baby Krishna, 6 days baby Krishna, Chad means leave me, Chad, leave me. And Krishna says, to whom I hold, I don't like to leave. This is called transcendental nature. As soon as whatever progress we have, devotional progress we have, we never destroy it. Stop. The offensive tendency, stop. When we are free from the offense, again growing. You understand what I want to say? অপ্রাকৃত রসরসিক শ্রী রামানন্দ স্বরচিত যে গীতটি কীর্তন করিয়াছেন তাহা গৌর সুন্দর কর্তৃক অনুমোদিত কিনা এর লীলা অভিনয় করিতে গিয়া প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্তের বর্ণন করিলেন। Means, in this context, I explain, Aprakita Rasharashik. Who is this? Raya Ramana. Aprakita means Prakita, not material. Transcendental, mellow, enjoyer, Rashik. Transcendental, mellows, enjoyer. Who is this? Raya Ramananda. Ramananda Raya. He composed one Premvilas song. Kirtan Koriyachen. And when he was singing, the Gaur Sundar Karte Anubhujito Kina, he just singing just to want to know that what is the we can say want to know about Mahaprabhu's appreciation. Anubhujito. He was want to know about that. After that, through that song, he explained that actually Prem Vilas Vivarta Bondana. He described the Prem Vivarta. Describe Premo Vilas Vivarta. In that song, whatever song, I don't know what the song is, but he explained. Bhaktadas Bauler Krito Vilas Vivarta Gantho Sri Jagadananda Prem Vivarta Ramananda Prem Vilas Vivarta Ite Sampurna Viparit Gantho. Bhaktadas one day person, in a baul means one type of song. You know this, they are tampura, tampura, tung 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 tampura, like Aktara. My English word Aktara.
Aktara means like one string instrument. Baul like one string instrument.
Acha Aktara. One this, green quash, when they become.
That tampura is first string.
No, not the Aktara. That means Aktara. It's an Aktara like this. Ripe stage of Loki means green quash. Their pill become hard. They make the pill like one, and the one string they are putting, two bamboo stick they are keeping on the top, and they are putting the finger in that way, playing. The baul people they are using that, and there is so many songs composed by also Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Baul Sangeet. But here, Bhaktodas Bauler. But there is a person named Bhaktodas, so many songs he composed. He also, Baul people, they are always writing some Premvilas. There's a loving attachment amongst each other. So many. Also Jagadananda Pandit, who was in previous life was Satyabhama, whose relation with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was intense, Not in the bad sense intense. He was forcing. You have to accept my service. The Jagadananda Pandit. He also composed Pembivarta books. Prem Vivarta, but that Jagadananda's Prem Vivarta, Prabhupada says, or Ramananda Prem Vilas Vivarta is the Sampurna Viparitanta. Means opposite. Jagadananda's realization and Bhaktodas' realization, Baul Sangeet, and Ramananda's Prem Vilas Vivarta composition, just opposite. Ramananda is Roshika Shekhar. Jagadananda is not like that. When Jagadananda wants to come to Vrindavan, Mahaprabhu says that go Vrindavan, no problem, but don't stay long. Vrindavan jaiyo naruhiyo chilokal. Don't stay long time. Just go and come back. Take over, take darshan of all the places, then finish, come back. But whenever we read this six Goswami like Rup, Sanatan, Jiva Goswami Pad, Rup Sanatan especially, for them, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, go Vrindavan and stay over there, discover the hidden Vrindavan pilgrimage, establish temple, compose devotional books, and install deities. They did. Whole life they are there. Holy Dham. So, this is different. So, Raya Ramananda is the topmost. His realization is topmost. We cannot compare. It's the Prem Vilas Vivarta. Vartaman Sikkhita Bhimani. Prabhupada says, Sikkhita means presently so many educated person with their false ego. যে জড় বিবর্ত বিলাসের কথা অনুসরণ করিতে গিয়া প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্তে বিপরীত বুদ্ধি স্থাপন করেন, তদ্বারা তাহাদের প্রাকৃত বিদ্যা মন্দির হইতে প্রাকৃত বিদ্যাসাগরগণের নিকট হইতে পিএইচডি উপাধি লাভ ঘটিতে পারে, কিন্তু পিএইচডি উপাধিটি পরবিদ্যা মন্দির হইতে লাভ করিতে হইলে জড় অহংকার পরিহার করিতে এবং স্বীয় নিত্য স্বরূপ উপস্থিত হইতে হয়। My God. Presently so many PhD there, they compose Mahaprabhu killed by Jagannath Panda, so many. Krishna also killed by that hunter Jara, and then that body thrown to this ocean, throw it on the ocean, and that body appear in the form of Nilmadha in Odisha. Such type of mind concoction. And who gave the PhD? Material professor. Logical explanation. Oh, this is right. This is not like that. Prabhupada says that Jado Vartaman Sikkhita Abhimani. Sikkhita means education, Abhimani means pride. যে জড় প্রেম বিলাস জড় বিবর্ত বিলাসের কথা অনুসরণ করিতে গিয়া প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্ত বিপরীত বৃদ্ধি স্থাপন করেন। জড় বিলাস বিবর্তন, material lusty connection. We can say jada pilas means that material lusty attachment, best word, attachment. They are just follow. In order to follow the Prem Vilas, transcendental Prem Vilas means real, eternal loving attachment. Follow that. They are no, too much, this always they are keeping contradiction. This material educated, materially educated, highly educated, with false pride, when they are writing any Prem Vilas, they are they're following the footsteps of the transcendental Pembilas. They're comparing with this material loving attachment and transcendental loving attachment. There's always the opposite. Viparit, they make contradiction amongst each other. Taddana tahader prakita vidya mandir hoite. Through their writings, they may have some degree, PhD from Prakita material education center, material university. They may get it. Kintu PhD upaditi পরবিদ্যা মন্দির হইতে লাভ করিতে হলে জড়হংকার পরিহার করিতে এবং স্বীয় নিত্য স্বরূপ উপস্থিত হইতে হয়। But if they really want to get the PhD from Paravidya Mandir is the transcendental university, like Golok Vrindavan University. Then they have to be free from all pride, their pride. And they have to establish their eternal identity. Then they can get PhD from that transcendental university, Golok. It is true. Like you can see how they are describing Laila Majnu materially to the boy and girl. There's so much in university, the Laila Majnu. But they are not thinking about Raya Ramananda and Mahaprabhus. This is weird, you can say. Manav Rachita Dharma Shastra, Aprakita Darshan Shastra je Akash Patal Bhed, Vartaman ta Shriman Madhacharya Shagato Sajatiyo Bhed, Nirashkari সম্প্রদায়কে তাহাদিকে পরমাদৃত বিচার পন্থা অবলম্বন করিতেই সুষ্ঠু দেখাই দিয়েছেন। আচ্ছা, মানব রচিত ধর্মশাস্ত্র, human composed some ধর্মশাস্ত্র. I don't like to say the name, but in India so many, and they are flourishing so much because people like it. What people like, they wrote accordingly, especially Bengal, full of their group. And that is the Shastra. So Manav Rachita Dharma Shastra, so whatever Shastra, scripture composed by human, or Prak Darshan Shastra, and transcendental philosophy, there is difference like that. Asman Jamin, matlab sky and patal, Akash Patal. Akash Patal means sky is Akash, Patal means Patala Lokam. That difference. Asman Jamin Farak. Jamin means land, but Patal means more different than land. Patala Lokam. So, there হারিয়ে যাচ্ছে। আকাশ পাতাল ভেদ বর্তমান। তো মধ্বাচার্য স্বগত সজাতীয় ভেদ নিরাশকারী সম্প্রদায়কে তাহাদিগের পরমাদৃত বিচার পন্থা অবলম্বন করিয়ায় সুষ্ঠুভাবে দেখায় দিয়েছেন। মধ্বাচার্য মিন্স আওয়ার সম্প্রদায়, মধ্বাচার্য গৌড়ীয় সম্প্রদায়। They clearly explain their fault, vichar koriyan, they clearly explain with proper logic. Means Madhacharya, our Gaudiya philosophy like that. Madhacharya, Gaudiya philosophy. Gaudiya philosophy, you can just read. Like we can say Sankar philosophy. What is the Vaishnava philosophy? Vaishnava philosophy means to cut Sankar philosophy. To cut Sankar philosophy. Sankar philosophy says you are God. But Vaishnava philosophy says no, we are not God, we are belongs to God. Such type of contradiction. So Madhacharya Swagata Sajatiya Bhed Nirashkari. Swagata means Swa means own. Who is this own? Who is our own? Who is actually belongs to? Belongs to Lord, not belongs to anyone. Swagata Sajatiya Bhed Nirashkari Sampradayake তাদেরকে পরমাত্রিত বিচার পন্থা অবলম্বন করিয়াই সুষ্ঠুভাবে দেখা দিয়েছেন। Then what I explained now, we are not God, but we are belongs to God. We are under control of Maya. We are under Maya, but Lord is controller of Maya. So we should not compare Lord and us. We should only compare that we are the equal. We are God. It's not possible. So Swagata Sajatiyo Bhed Nirashkari Sampradaya. Actually, Gaudiya Sampradaya clearly explains, in brief we can say, Gaudiya Sampradaya clearly explained the difference. This material loving attachment and transcendental loving attachment. Jado Darshanik Sampradaya, Jodiyo Prem Vilas Vivartei Avastito. Material philosopher, that people Jodiyo Prem Vilas Vivarti. Jodiyo means material, Prem means love and separation. Avastito. They are always describing. They are situated in that position. They are not able to realize transcendental loving and separation. সুতরাং তারা প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্তটি নিজের মন গড়া অনুভূতির দ্বারা বুঝিতে সমর্থ হইবেন না। সুতরাং তারা প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্তটি নিজের মন গড়া অনুভূতির দ্বারা বুঝিতে সমর্থ হইবেন না। সুতরাং সাপোর্ট করতে নাকি therefore তাহারা প্রেম বিলাস বিবর্তটি আচ্ছা our transcendent, whatever our Goswamis, they describe about Prem Vilas Vivarta, Sambhog and separation, they don't want to understand on that point. They want to understand according to their point of view, material point of view. Thalar Vitor Jerub Hostir Avasthan Sankulan Hoyna, Tadru, Arohovadir, তাণ্ডব অথচ নিতান্ত লঘু বিক্রমের পক্ষে অপ্রাকৃত অনুভূতির অসম্ভব। থালা means on plate. Inside the plate it is not possible to keep one elephant there. This is Srila Prabhupada gave an example. থালা যদি হস্তির অবস্থান সংকলন হয়, it is impossible, it is not manageable to keep one elephant in a plate, on a plate. Tadrup, therefore, Arhovadi Tandav. Arhovadi means they always just bringing some. What is the translation? Arhovadi.
They want to go to the ascending path of love rather than descending path. Ascending. They want to do research and find out.
Yeah.
Rather than accepting the conclusions of research.
The Arhovadi means they want the research. How they can research? They are not able to reach that platform. Arhovadi means always researching from their point of view. They are not accepting whatever our previous teacher described. Arhovadir Tandav অথচ নিতান্ত লঘু বিক্রমের পক্ষে অপ্রাকৃত অনুভূতি অসম্ভব। So Prabhupada says. They are just false manner. They are just researching, they are thinking, speculating, speculation good, speculating and passing their opinion. It's like a fake. Nothing is stable. Nothing is stable. Today they may say one thing, tomorrow they can say they are changing. But Prem-Vilas Vibharta, Transcendental Prem-Vilas Vibharta, always the same. Stable, eternal. So anyway, it is just one paragraph I finish. 2 paragraphs I finish. We have more, maybe 10 paragraphs on that. Big people, no, 10 no. Yeah, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs still. But still 3 paragraphs, but big paragraph. But anyway, Prabhupada's language is very difficult for me also to understand. Although it is Bengali, but his language very, Sahitya, high class literature, profound language. If you are not literature, even if you know, if you have a degree of literature, still it is not possible for you to understand. So anyway, I am just trying my best way to describe the inner meaning, not exactly word by word translation yet, because I don't know the also meaning, but I understand what is the actual meaning. In that way I am translating and reading. But I think essence I am trying to make you understand. I am trying to explain and you also understand it. Thank you very much for your patience to read in Bengali and also then translate in English. And this is Prabhupada's explanation. It is good for us to listen. Even we are not understanding, that it will increase our devotion, I hope. Hare Krishna.